Huawei has launched P20 series last year, including flagship model Huawei P20 and P20 Pro, along the trimmed down version Huawei P20 Lite as well. While the former had a top of line specification including the triple rear camera, Huawei P20 Lite come with the media-core specs and with dual camera. Nevertheless, a new report showcases the Huawei P20 Lite smartphone with a new design that is supposedly slated to launch this year by the company. According to WinFuture, Huawei is set to bring a new Huawei P20 Lite 2019 smartphone that features a new design and also with a bottom specification as well. The report had further given us the first look official render of 2019 Huawei P20 Lite smartphone. As the new design concerned, the P20 Lite render a reveal of the gradient finish body with a quad camera setup, which is set up from the dual camera of the last year P20 Lite. Up front, Huawei had ditched the notch which have been seen last year and had opted to a punch hole display that appeared to be much better and gives a better screen in real estate. Speaking to the screen on the new Huawei P20 Lite, the device is said to be featuring the 5.84 inches Full HD LCD display like the previous one without the notch. The render also showcases a full screen display with a noticeable chin on the bottom. As the specification, Huawei P20 Lite 2019 will be powered by Hill Silicon Kirin 710 processor. Unlike the previous one, it has features the 659 processor. The report further indicate the storage will be have 64 and 128 GB storage capacity with 4 GB of RAM each. As the optics as stated earlier, the P20 Lite is said to be a quad rear camera comprising of 24 megapixel primary sensor with f1.8 aperture. However, the information about the other sensor is yet to be known. But going through the render images, it believes that the device will be featuring an ultra wide angle lens, telephoto lens, and the lens which isn't aligned with these three rear camera is said to be TOF depth sensor. On the front, the punch hole display is said to be carrying either 16 megapixel or 20 megapixel selfie shooter. That report suggests a new Huawei P20 Lite 2019 might also come with a 3000 mAh battery. For authentication, the device features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. As for the pricing, it is still unclear. However, the render reveal showcase the three-color variant, including the midnight black, crushed blue, charming red variant. Stay tuned for more information related to this device. Thank you for watching.